Namaskara, welcome to Bindu's Point. Today I will be sharing with you how we can start cooking in a kitchen once we have moved to a new house in an auspicious way. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So whether you are moving to a rented house or own house, whether it is a brand new house or a house where someone lived before, to begin with, on the day you are starting cooking, the day you move or maybe the next day, so before you start cooking on the stove, what you are supposed to do is, all the family members take bath, do one simple puja to God, light lamps, and then clean the kitchen surface and also the stove and all the related spaces around the stove, and put one rangoli, like if you can see, like I use the rice flour here because we did not have rangoli powder. So using the rice flour you can make some small designs of rangoli, what we call, and also put some arishina and kumkum, that is turmeric powder and vermilion powder, and put some flowers. This is like doing puja to the stove. Okay, after that, in a bowl, if you have a new steel bowl, cooking vessel, you can take that, or else whatever is available is fine. Take milk. I'm using cow milk here, and put it on a low flame. So even for lighting the stove, now that you have already lighted the lamp in front of the god and you have done your puja, you can burn the matchstick using that lamp, and from that fire you can start the stove. So that is like you are starting the stove using the fire from the god's lamp, right? So that is an auspicious thing. So then once you start the before starting the fire also, we are doing a simple puja using the incense stick, and then praying to the agni, god Agni, who is the god for fire. And then we will be starting the turning on the stove. Then you boil the milk until it comes up. Usually we let the milk spill over the stove, but considering all these new gadgets have so many electronic things along with that, so we are not letting it spill over. So once the milk is boiled, you can add sugar, and if you want to add any badam powder or anything like that, you can do that. And again offer it to the god first, put it in front of the god, and then you will all take it and drink it as a prasadam. And now you are ready to start cooking in the new kitchen.